What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're finally going to be able to test out the new Shelby brakes, the Shelby rotors, etc. with the Bimble brakes. And the reason why I'm calling them Bimble brakes is because they're pretty much fake Brembos. They look exactly like them. They might not perform just like the actual Brembo brakes, but they should be better because I had the base model brake calipers on there. Now I have these on there, so hopefully they should be better. Supposedly these are like 4-piston or 6-piston, something like that. But guys, we're actually going to test them out right now as we're driving, and we are currently on our way to a little meet hosted by South Texas Speed. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys last time, but I did join South Texas Speed, and this group, guys, this car crew is growing like crazy. It's insane. They have like over already 200 like plus members in it, and these guys are thinking going statewide, then like nationwide. So we already have like people from like Dallas, Texas and Houston, Texas wanting to incorporate the South Texas Speed branch, etc. over there in those bigger cities. So from there, the next step is just go nationwide at other states, etc. And as crazy as it sounds, Chris, the president, him and Jesse were talking about even going worldwide. I don't know how crazy that's gonna work, how crazy that's gonna be, but they're actually like on deck with it. They're going full 100% and stuff like that. So props to them if they can manage it. I mean, I'm part of a big organization, and you're gonna be hearing the name a lot because these guys host crazy meets. So that's where we're currently on our way there. My friend Luis is already there. Luis actually became an admin. You know, Luis, the guy with the red Charger. Yeah, that guy's already an admin there. So I'm gonna go real quick by the car wash, get this thing cleaned up because I didn't have time to wash it. I had a busy day running errands, and then hopefully we can enjoy some good content.
Keeping your car clean is easy and convenient with a Circle K Unlimited subscription. Download our car wash.
This is hands down the best car wash. Like, it usually is like about $8-10 for the premium one with like supposedly polish and wax. And like, the good thing about this, guys, why I claim it to be the best car wash, like hands down in my area, is because this is brushless. It's touchless. That means you don't have brushes touching your car. If you care about your car and your paint, like, that's the one way to go because it won't scratch your paint. It's all just like pressure washed and soap. And I officially just got a membership for $15 a month, guys. It's unlimited washes, or actually it's limited for 2 per day, but I can come every day. My car will be super clean. So just look at this. I already got it. Confirm. I have to click just ready, and I believe, let's see, I don't know, it's the first time I'm doing this. I think I just gotta move like forward, or I'll get a green light. Oh, there it is. Ready. This is the best option I've ever seen, man. Wow. See, I get the undercarriage included. All right, guys, just going through the drying process. Looks squeaky clean. A lot of you guys always want to know, where is this location at? Those of you who are in the Rio Grande Valley, this is actually located in McAllen, Texas, guys, right before the expressway on 23rd Street. If you're heading from south to north, it'll be to your left side. But if you're heading from the north side to the south side, you head south, it'll be to your right side past the expressway. It is a Valero gas station, and the car wash is by Circle K. But this has to be hands down the best touchless car wash, guys. And if you don't like the way it came out, you can always just go twice, because it is unlimited, but limited to twice, actually 2 car washes per day. So you can actually go twice. And if you're going to be a little picky about the detail, you can always just detail at home, get the little finer places that the car wash missed, or like the trims and stuff, and just get a drying rag and you're good to go. And it's just super awesome, man. It looks really clean, and especially when you're running low on time like me, that I'm heading to a car meet right now and the car was dirty, it'll get the job done. No way. Check this out. Some Mustang just crashed into the pole, man. Wow, it's this chick's. Oh, it sucks. And it's a GTCS, or I think it has the GTCS wheels, but no freaking way. That's horrible, man. Just looks like the front bumper. She looks okay. I think it was hers. The front bumper came off a little bit, man. Oh, wow. That sucks, man. Prayers to her. Hope everything's well. Dang, guys. This ain't even the like public meet. This is the private crew member meet only, and check it out. This thing is packed. This thing started only 30 minutes ago. There's already a ton of cars here. Shoot, man. At least good 40-50 cars, and it started 30 minutes ago. Pretty crazy. Guys, check it out. This is Luis's car right here. We got both Luis's. His Charger's better than his charger though.
Yes, sir.
But he just got bags, what, a day ago?
I got it done 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
2 days ago, yeah.
This thing was already a beauty. Now it's bagged. Gets to air out everywhere. Damn, dude. We'll get it later when it's on air.
Yeah. Well, I can do it right now if you want.
Fucking badass.
We can do it later or right now, however you want.
We can do it later, it's fine.
And then,
Oh, there's more?
so you can see the tank back there. You can barely see it with my big ass box right at the subs, but
Oh, I see it.
you can see a little tank back there, bro. A little tank was.
Little tiny, something little tiny, just for show. Damn, you're slacking, dude.
You gotta make sure they made you look, you know what I'm saying? The made you look sticker, it's a must.
It's a
The made
must.
you look sticker is a must, alright?
And don't forget
Yeah,
to send
that's
news.
really
Don't forget.
important, alright? That gives me that you guys are supporting me, alright? Let me
Send the
let me
nudes.
know. Yeah, send
Show
it, bro.
support to the build, guys. You gotta send the nudes. Hey, is it like gender, mutual, anything?
Bro,
Female, male,
nowadays, anybody, bro.
anybody,
alright?
guys.
Anybody,
Support
bro,
them. Just
you
support
know?
them. Send nudes, and the build will just keep getting better. I don't know. I
Is there
heard maybe a
coffee?
wide body's next.
Coffee
but-
supports my whip, bro. Like what?
Oh, you sent nudes too?
Yeah,
I already
bro.
sent like a couple for a ride,
Can we get some for the channel?
maybe. At what 3K subscribers?
On OnlyFans?
Maybe.
Dude, we kind of missed the on. Never mind. They're letting us through. Oh, they Luisa. Alright guys, officially these new brakes actually feel really good. I feel a lot more comfortable with these. The old ones were, they weren't the best, but these feel way, way, way better. And I have my new Edge twin right here. Pretty much same colorway. Black.
What's up, guys? My name is Luis. Welcome to my garage. You know what I mean? I got every car for every day out of the month. You know, everything with the same banner. You know, we gotta represent everywhere we go.
Oh, I see. Which one's your favorite one, man?
I think right there, bro. You know, something about being bagged. You know, is something different.
MTV garage.
Yeah.
The
You know,
MTV
when I feel
cribs?
like going fast, you know, say a little whipple. You know what I mean?
Okay.
But when I feel classy, down right there. You know what I'm saying? When I feel like a bad bitch though, I gotta go with a little Charger. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, yeah. When you feel a little slow? You gotta
Yeah,
get the
but I
Charger.
feel like laid back chill. Gotta take that Mustang over there, bro. You know, with the bronze wheels.
Okay, I see.
Pretty clean, you know.
All right.
So yeah,
What's your
man.
Instagram, please?
Yeah, bro. My Instagram is bougie_GT, bro. Make sure you follow that shit, all right?
Bougie GT, you just got it. Instagram.
Coffee _9392.
Oh shit! All right. Okay, I'm simping over this. Is this yours or?
This? Come here.
I'm simping over this. This is the hands down right now the best Mustang I've
I'm
seen.
driving this shit right now. But, look at that,
Alright,
bro. One Bad Kelly. Y'all follow her on Instagram, bro. This fucking ride is one of the cleanest.
It is. This is like
Gen
a
3,
Need for
bro.
Speed kind of build, dude. It's badass.
It's tweaking a little bit, but, you know, that's why I'm driving it, because I'm gonna fix that. I'm the guy for that, you know what I'm saying? It's beautiful, bro. Y'all follow her on Instagram, baby. STS.
Not even like, guys, this is perhaps, to me, in my opinion, one of the best builds I've seen. Check it out. California special. Boss tips, street roll diffuser, Euro lights. The fitment is perfect on it. Wheels, wrapped. Badass. And Luis got some new wheels as well. Check out. He's on some Baradas now, stepping up the game. Got Whipple Chris's Fast ass Mustang with the carbon fiber hood. Look at that. And they got a little thing for Camaros as well. I've always wanted one, and I'll probably own one time, but not right now. I would want a Camaro. Check out all the South Texas Speed members. Man, these Camaros look nice, especially with that front bumper. Heck yeah. Taurus making a debut. All right.
Like 200 horsepower?
What? 200 horsepower? Yeah, just the supercharger alone, maybe.
Boy, hey, nigga, look at this shit. What?
See, the boy Luis does a little pull for us. Luis, pull. Alright, come on guys, give me a thumbs up for Luis. 10 out of 10, there you go guys. Luis said 10 out of 10. Oh shoot. Air it out again.
Bro, you did like 10 times, bro. But I still don't get tired. I still don't get tired.
Hold up.
Going on too much right now guys, but I think they're about to race. I think they're gonna be 2 races. So we just left one of the spots, as y'all can see right here. We were hanging out, but everybody just left. Before we close out the video guys, since I forgot to do that night, I wanted to show you guys something that I came home to and I didn't realize it, but I did get home to no side markers on the driver's side or the passenger side. I don't know, we forgot to tighten them, but literally, or maybe someone stole them, but yeah, no side markers. We had the hood open because I went ahead and did some maintenance work. I took off the cold air intake filter right there. That way we can go ahead and get it cleaned up, which is already in the process of drying. Had to re-oil it, clean it up and everything, so looks good. But I forgot to close out the video, so I wanted to just give you guys a recap on what happened that night. And again, I am a part of South Texas Speed, so if you guys are interested in checking them out, go ahead and check them out on Instagram. I'll leave it down below. But that's gonna wrap it up for today guys. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.